If I knew you guys were going to care so much about the hairdryer, then I would have been more prepared. I had this hairdryer for 11 years. I have no clue where I bought it from, but it's called the Wild Primrose, and I only know that from reading the side. It's really good for our hair. You just got to make sure you detangle before you use it, and make sure you're using sections, like how I had it sectioned off in the video. Make sure you're doing sections. But I did link another hairdryer that's really good for our hair texture as well on my Amazon storefront in my bio, which I actually like better, but I didn't use it because it's packed up in boxes. We just moved into our home, so I just grabbed the one that was available. But you can look at that one. It's in the bio.